So as the rest of the panelists have talked in Greek, I will also speak in Greek. Θα έλεγε κανείς
One would say that there is a series of factors that led to the increase of deposits in the Greek banking system, and these are positive trends and developments. I will compare that the pandemic with the crisis of 2010, 11, and 15. We have decrease of deposits then, but during the coronavirus crisis, we have a totally different trend. I think that during the pandemic, the consumer started trusting banks again. We have an increase of deposits, and I would say that this is due to the trust that the consumer started trusting the banks again. So in 2021 and 2022, the increase of deposits, I would say, has to do with three factors. First, the growth of the Greek economy, huge growth, new revenues create a positive flow of deposits. The second development, increasing the deposits, is the decrease decrease of the non-official sector. So a lot of people now use credit cards. So there is no big markets for black market, and there is direct foreign investments that finance activities in Greece. So we have also flow of funds, trust, growth, and progress in decreasing of non-official economy and foreign investments. All these four elements will maintain in 2022 and 2023, despite the turbulence, which is important. We expect in 2023 Greece will continue growing, and I read something interesting in Financial Times that consider Greece one of the 7 more successful countries during the crisis. And of course, we should never forget that there are global developments, and these developments are expected to influence Greece and real economy. The data from the Bank of Greece show that there is a credit growth in non-financial corporations, and I believe what our studies show, this is welcome because the economy need to be funded in a healthy way to avoid problems of the past. So data show, nevertheless, that we can improve things further. And I would like to underline information, which plays an important role. Information is quite important when we talk about funding. As a state and the banking system, I believe, need to invest in collecting information, because this is what gives us the opportunity as banks to calculate risks and give better conditions of financing. And the state needs to take institutional initiatives. We have initiatives that aim to give stakeholders the possibility to understand the risk better. In order to sum up, I think that deposits show the upward trend of the economy, but there are margins of improvement still.